is the problem. Because place or toy now, he recommended them. Menya sure say be move on crowd recommend or be rejected. This is the amount for recommend the manual or no rejected. And I yes sir. A be a play is or say he rejected. And I yes sir. There's another player about Kubi. He rejected all those players.
Yeah, of course some test now.
Yes, he rejected all those players. And I yes
yeah.
Because then you no recommendation. It is say any day. Big catch suppose still into a boss now.
At this moment, it depends on the supporter. At this moment, if you want to criticize the coach, you can criticize him. Obviously, two bosses, so I'll be to me two bosses.
Into Kotoko General any day. It's a young intensive care unit. And I am calling your friends emergency. And I am calling for.
Take question.
Because out there say
David.
Well, the questions in our own maybe our way.
Oh, the minimum be a yano.
Is that not maybe so?
It's
all right something. Oh, I write something. Establish the question at 12 1 question. Was also there and to
me take question at paper economy.
Sorry. Mijidi say the coach has to be up and doing.
No, we agree 100%.
Currently, as we speak, we don't have a striker.
Yeah.
So, what account for this? So you do the recruitment, and I yes, sir.
Yeah.
You assess the team. Why our stock analysis within the team? You purchase players, but the team they still don't have a striker.
Say, in common fa sa anger na I just say BM common.
BM because so BM somebody say person with you.
Ye BM in common in the sense that dear minimum. Prosper na Teogum signed our better more. The Sudanese striker. And another striker he wanted was Prince Kwabena Wusu. Baby any Gold Stars.
It's currently Baby any Gold Stars away.
Or Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
So he got the
division at third division.
Or premiership.
No. No. Mon check him here. Na mention check it.
He got the two. Onja two ni wie no. The third one was Prince Owusu Kwabena. And a prince the end kwaye obeba. He gave them his word so obeba. And Kobanum na yet in the senior and pay me breyeka. Ye be can play and e bi wo ho ato bo ase ne ade but heading so obi hu dollar no waja be GCD. There was an offer aneso. And Abrantin decided to be too quiet. Obe too quiet no. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Players are not person to register. They didn't get the number they wanted. And we decided to register on more money now, which is 23. Normally 4 youth team players. Ababa Bekano. And strike Canadian Aokano. Unfortunately, the Americans say baby Kukomoni baby any say. The USA trip in Ababam. Because if not for that trip, and Castro Asante Kotoko with 2 strikers.
Why?
Yakub, any player a friend is Abetamwa.
Yakub.
Yes.
No a striker.
Yes, no a striker.
Or 1 assist.
Any player friend is Abetamwa. Omumiru. But because of the trip, and I Sudan for the Yirai. Omo Yirai na Baba Beka striker bako. And Menyesho Kotoko, the Football Association had any special dispensation for them. Because Kotoko strikers are possibly almost meeting me assign me.
It is Kotoko best strikers.
Yes, there are possible stars and the Kotoko best strikers.
Saying strikers is also.
The Mimi, but the Miruni on the sign the Amintiminche.
Almost saying now, Umbasha goose.
Oh, send the Mbappe could have had the Tonomunia de Ompe.
But coach also can.
Yeah.
Because there's never been any coach or Asante Kotoko when you coach yenye. They been see that. They been see that. Not even Tamana made enough a coach Asante Kotoko. Big when you menya de ope.
Yeah.
When you pinpoint as a player with chinchina this emetono. And sisa. This is big sisi a coach or no top players are pay. Now our pump players are official new consum bogotokono. He has no excuse.
Sure.
Because you can see the team lack leadership.
Leadership on or off the field?
Both. You could see it. When the team is lacking, there's no proper leader to carry the team along. In terms of control on the field of play, any normal, you don't see it. Menim se menini enya. Sana me.
Okay, player no about third division was Saudi Arabia.
Make us some chira ozuzu de chi. Make us chira ozuzu de chi.
Hidaya.
Big, make us chira ozuzu de chi.
To Jai Kotoko no koje third division.
Because of dollar na big kan wasem.
Ame pa.
Saudi Arabia nzu ska go to say bro.
I don't know so Ope best aje.
Ope se obesi dai wodu kro. Ada yesa.
Aso Ope de.
On catch Ope best aje.
Kwame den na say what's about.
Kampuku.
Ngovono ba yero. On man dey na ebuzu for ba na me say that dey na say egu omukoku nu so spray. Egu so na o man twa am yan gu so no mba kuma say o mba besere kwa na kwa bochi. Seriously, it's a challenge that excuses in the air also. Big excuses in the air also. So Mbaka last year say 7 matches. Now 1 win, right? And now 2 wins. 4 draws. It's a 4 losses, so 1 draw. It's about 4 matches. Last year, Krano. Yes, and there were more 4 matches and 2 also about to lose nina. And I got to go any win.
Last season.
Last
season at the point, only see 7 was the same to us.
I'm losing 7 matches to us.
Lose 7 no, omu 7 matches omo enya win wom.
Omo born 9 na omo
enya win. 9 no omo enya win. Omo draw 2, lose 7.
Worst ever in Kotoko.
Yeah, sure.
Under this coach. Omo born 9 and omo enya win.
Yeah.
It means which man do omo ko 10 abra omo enya win.
So bit be so asha di akadi jira.
Because match said that got ko anim no. Seriously, me yam sisi me.
Tio biggie.
Yam sisi me.
All nations.
Senior
Obonation say we have akobo aduana.
I remember
last season. Pressure any has so. Is there the pressure what Kotoko so?
I remember last season. Abra na Kotoko ba na onhye no. Na mene Fuji programs manager I take
Opemsuo.
Come on me catch and say.
No nimbo.
Oh yeah, onimbo.
Kakra o.
Ghana dey say bemba bia pebo. And I me catch and say Kotoko ba onhye. My problem is here and say the next way 5-7 matches that Kotoko anim no. Me nim dia Kotoko betimi ahye no. Looking at the current performance of the club. Because the next game Opemsuo Okwa Samatex. But because it is football and anything can happen at any point in time, the turning point for Asante Kotoko in that season was the Samatex game. They be almost share. Yes, bye. So that was the turning point. And he said the year as a coach in Lucy because honestly speaking, this season open team or when you away matches by Nations FC. Home known to me, but I started to watch home so watch 3 at also me.
Nations. Say you should 3.
Watch 3 at also 2.
Pure baby at 3.
Yes. It is an only Baba can that away good form and one. The match looks very difficult. Kotoko dey Diana Stars on any day e doma. Oh your calculations are on fan count.
Fan count say
on fan count say obetimi akofa 3 wo.
Okay.
Esida. But for a team of Ghana Premier League since 2009, na esi ba ko pe wodoma de ye mfa nka ho at a point na Ghana Premier League Kotoko nche go da wodoma eti no nka ho had to focus Asante Kotoko a game a filled with uncertainty no matter what be form anything can happen at any point in time could go either way and also fan kaho it me jitum se matches na aka na edin and I said the Kotoko enyim se sia no edin but said the senior kan no me senior be adwen the coach has to be up and doing yes the coach has to be up and doing because come my point is that you start the season no na Asante Kotoko bo game
sure sure
Oshabako no we winning Oshabako na we winning people were complaining about one goal project
yeah.
me kan say me emfa me ho eduano wo ta ho boko na osi awasi kwame e wa wo no afu be bo ho na mfi bukura se wasi
uhuri free suru be si form awasi
sade boko na ke no mum ye
o kanu ne ye na mo be bia na wo bi da soro wa wo be chware eti kwa be fa so wasi form de unya da age de wa tare wo boko wasi ye hia de se wa land grounds
sure
so wo eti omo kasa asem na me ne omo nya adwene and then again another point in time na me ne omo nya adwene ne say football na ye ka ho asem no matter the kind of quality you are going to buy a new team you always struggle to put them together. At that starting stage, you know, I thought Kumasi Asante Kotoko was struggling to put those players together. Ubenya one or two problems. But even with that, now coach they force it grinding the results. I be boa Kumasi Asante Kotoko. After 9 matches in the Ghana Premier League, it is enough a sample size to talk about one performance in the league. So over 9 matches, over 10 matches in the league. Idea ye timi gina so de kase season koye and I say nkoye because me feel say asase na na say obrani mpo no na to be managing good results now we say nka team ne jele so ba kai prosper na to oguma the first season okay so ba ye no wan share nya time or ye pre-season within the season after the first 5 matches and yema betimi aye de assesa
sure
say wo sha the chairman say after first 5 matches into a season no adie bia wo kire bia say piki ema team ne chance about the kind of footballer wo person mo bebo at the time na wo nya nuru 5 matches ni mpo no the performance was better now that you have crossed that 5 matches stage performance that chance here the pia it should be of concern etimi jitum 100% any obi obeka sa bia ya adwene say coach prosper na atogum keka na ho no ma ne ho ne so
e ba se abigi ono nkwa ne bebi
Kwame
players ne so
Kwame football de bia na me kasa asem we so obi anase team mo de mo anko yi a ye ntimi mpamo the entire 30 registered players na ye nkonkofa di umfama na ye nya coach a wo ye ba ko pa bitimi a sacrifice wo but in Asante Kotoko last season the coach was given that privilege say niema anko yi no obi a wo feel say ne mode mo nkonka oboboku ni mbia no a wo ntimi ne nya adwuma no ma sa player ne nko jisika fa kokofa foforo bra wa jisika na kwa akofa foforo aba wa fa de omo ko ene de omo ko eno de omo masem Kotoko no bo season bia ye exams na wo tworo wo gire wo tworo di yanka o kam o kwa wonko
and the coaching so bosi air exams
of course send into the market no
okay
exams na wo tworo ne market no eto omo ko coach na to new ones aba if the start of the season na performance it say nedia na and kama calculate it say yanko animu kakra no na chance ya eforo but the start of the season the performance was better than Sabri and the whole na me what problem until I'm leaking can say me jitum say team bia no matter the kind of quality you are going to buy say players ni you are Kylian Mbappe he's giving a new role at Real Madrid with new players he's struggling to settle in the club
sure
but he's a quality player obi antimi kan kire me say Kylian Mbappe nyaade but this time so obi hia bre to settle with the new teammates intino ye nya hu Mbappe na no PSG no
ono nyamai
ono na wo no no asunsum ni nyamai suman ni nyansi form so enti Kumasi Asante Kotoko has bought quality players. Yes, I know correct, but it is going to take time. But maybe problems is here no medical akano. Sanka said the team struggles is here no. That should have been the start of the season.
Because almost struggled.
Yes, and Kasha say na say ya. Na kamanya GBA say ya mo 5 6 7 em fro no. So be kan ya baka Watara me catch we say. Men judge Watara say sia. But you bought a few 7 matches say kwa.
Okay.
Me sha sia judge Watara.
And on near mat.
And then after the 5 6 7 matches no. Only the any peaky.
And I was starting here.
And I was starting here the any tiko from. And it is a matter of concern because Asante Kotoko supporters don't want our problem. They say last season, oh ebeye ye, oh ebeye ye, oh ebeye ye, sa e ka to no bronca ye. It's no problem to see and say last season the enemy na say abesia na.
And I'm on my worried.
Of course. Say chance if you 1 loss, 2 losses, 3 losses, na e froko. And until na supporters na you worried. Say last season the enemy and I say baba besia na. And for the coach there, I was so keka no no ya adwuma.
Last 4 matches Akotoko abon. Obono hwan boy.
Last 4 matches. Kotoko be Baseke Holy Stars.
And omo lose ye.
Omo ball draw.
Bodro.
Olusu Legon
City.
Elusu Heart of
Lions.
And Olusu Bichim.
Average loss and Kotoko 7 points.
Out of 12 points.
Say Baseke na away game and
away.
Yeah, away.
Legon City is away.
Lagos City the last. Baseke the last.
Out of 4 no 3 are away. And 1 year home. No, 2 year home.
No. They lost to Heart of Lions.
At home. Yes.
And 3 away.
3 away.
Yes.
It still doesn't matter. So are we saying that Kotoko will be losing to Baseke more? Away. Lagos City is away. Then they still want to win the league. And I said, Opemsuo mu second.
Opemsuo.
Sinare ne yan hwe ne saying so say coach say kita team say omushi aye.
No, please. No coach is been na kuta team say omushi Eric Ten Hag.
Maybe ana coach.
Have you considered that?
Oh yes.
Have you considered that? The status is not the same. So who coach Kotoko him say na so coach Ogum or a doctor.
Doctor now on the field in the classroom.
Yeah, then me field no. Now I saw your doctor in your friends say actuarial science. And now your doctor in political science.
Doctor in football psychology.
I say man on the no. He said doctor in football psychology bigger than yes sir.
Yeah.
It's in the field no. No doctor no.